Welcome to another video with Hancock Adventures. On day 2 of our off-roading adventures in Creede, we headed to an actual off-roading trail, and it had a couple of slightly technical sections. This trail was well worth the drive as it led to the breathtaking Pheonix Park Waterfall. If you are looking for new places to ride, go to Creede and the surrounding areas. I found very little content on YouTube for off-roading in Creede as a lot of people ride the Alpine Loop. I hope this video series is helpful to anyone planning a trip to Creede. Creede has an approved OHV route and signs posted throughout the small town, making it easy to ride from your cabin to the gas station and to the off-road trails. On your way to the trails from Main Street, you will pass by an underground fire station that is carved out of the mountain. I highly recommend stopping to check it out. Joining us today in the Jeep JK Rubicon is our friends from Hoyt Expeditions and some friends in a new Razor Pro. We headed out on East Willow Creek Road, leading us to the Pheonix Park Waterfall Trail. onX has an easy rating for this trail. However, parts were very rocky and eroded, causing off-camber moments. It is a great trail for off-roading, but not a main service road like many of the trails in Colorado. The Pheonix Park Trail was one of the few slightly technical trails from Creede. I highly recommend taking this trail to explore that beautiful waterfall. After a couple of fun creek crossings, we had made it to the Pheonix Park Waterfall Trailhead. You can get a close-up view of the waterfall by taking a short hike. We explored an old cabin at the trailhead while listening to the sounds of the creek nearby. The picture on the wall of someone named Mountain Man was interesting. Did this cabin belong to the Mountain Man?
Journals in here.
The journals don't look very old.
21. Oldest I've seen so far.
Just people visiting.
There's 2020.
Where they write?
After seeing the amazing waterfall, we decided to take the kiddos in the Jeep to the one main area where we had found snow the previous day. This was located on Rat Creek Road near the Mineral Creek Overlook. There are several places in this area that make for a great spot to stop for lunch. After helping a stuck Jeep make it down the hill, we headed over to Sawmill Gulch Trail. The Sawmill Gulch Trail leads to an amazing 360 overlook. The forest website says the trail is not maintained. Most of the trail was easy, however, the very end was eroded. The views from the top make it worth the drive if you don't mind, once again, that off camber feeling. After a long, fun day of riding, we went into town for dinner. There were several restaurants in the town of Creede, but only a few stay open for dinner. Thank you for watching our adventures in Creede, Colorado. Please like and subscribe to help support our channel, and stay tuned for next week's video to see our adventures in the Wheeler Geological Area. Until next time, we hope to see you on the trails.